Ready to discover a game-changing trading indicator with exceptional precision? In this video, I'll reveal how to master it and share a strategy that could significantly boost your profits. Greetings, distinguished guests. Welcome to 0618.io, your ultimate resource for mastering trading. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, our platform provides valuable insights and strategies to improve your trading success. Kindly subscribe and activate notifications to stay informed. To integrate this game-changing indicator into your chart, navigate to the Indicators tab in TradingView and search for RMI Trend Sniper. This indicator seamlessly overlays your price chart, functioning similarly to a moving average while providing clear buy and sell signals. Built upon the foundation of two key indicators, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Money Flow Index, MFI, it combines both price and volume data to offer an unparalleled view of momentum strength, enabling you to identify trends and potential buy-sell signals with exceptional accuracy. Within the indicator settings, under the Input section, the default RMI length is configured to 14. We will adjust this to 21 to smooth the line and reduce its sensitivity to short-term fluctuations. When the indicator line turns red, it indicates a downtrend, while a blue line signifies an uptrend. These color changes provide clear buy and sell signals to guide your trading decisions. As a reminder, this technical analysis tool is versatile and can be effectively utilized for trading highly volatile assets, including cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and Forex pairs. The most suitable time frames for this indicator are 5 and 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. Let us now incorporate a second valuable tool into our trading arsenal, the DIY Custom Strategy Builder. To add this indicator, open the Indicator Search tab and enter DIY Custom Strategy. The DIY Custom Strategy Builder is a comprehensive tool designed specifically for the TradingView platform. It features an extensive collection of over 30 well-regarded indicators, allowing users to combine and customize them to develop trading strategies that align with their individual preferences. You may be curious about how this indicator integrates multiple indicators into a cohesive strategy and generates buy-sell signals. To clarify this, let's examine a hypothetical strategy that utilizes three key indicators: the 200-period exponential moving average EMA, the SuperTrend indicator, and the MACD indicator. Let us examine how this strategy is implemented. Consider entering a long trade when the SuperTrend indicator generates a long signal. The signal candle closes above the 200-period EMA, and the MACD histogram is green. Traditionally, verifying each long signal from the SuperTrend indicator against the other two indicators would require constant manual monitoring of your charts. This process can be time-consuming and labor-intensive. However, with the DIY Custom Strategy Builder, you can automate this procedure. The tool continuously monitors signals from all three indicators and automatically alerts you when the conditions for a long position are met. This automation allows you to focus on other aspects of your trading while the indicator handles the signal analysis. Let's now demonstrate how to implement this strategy using the DIY Custom Strategy Builder. Begin by opening the indicator settings. This tool functions simply. Start by selecting your primary indicator, also known as the signal or leading indicator, from a selection of over 30 options. After choosing your primary indicator, you can then select multiple confirmation indicators or filter indicators from the same extensive list. Next, scroll down to the switchboard and enable the chosen indicators, which will overlay them onto your chart. The DIY Custom Strategy Builder allows you to overlay up to 14 different indicators on your chart, offering a comprehensive visual representation of their behavior over time. Finally, adjust the settings for each selected indicator at the bottom of the menu to tailor them to your specific needs. Let us explore the configuration process for our strategy. We will start by selecting the SuperTrend indicator as our primary indicator, which will signal the trend direction. Subsequently, we will add the 200-period EMA and the MACD indicator as confirmation indicators to provide additional validation for our entry signals. For the EMA, we will maintain the default length of 200, as previous use has demonstrated its effectiveness. Since the RSI indicator is not relevant to this strategy, we will disable it to minimize chart clutter. Finally, we will activate the MACD indicator as our secondary confirmation tool. We will use the default settings for the MACD crossover to capture momentum shifts indicated by the MACD lines. However, adjustments to the fast length, slow length, and other MACD parameters can be made if fine-tuning is required to better align with our preferences. With these selections configured, the DIY Custom Strategy Builder is now set to replicate our original strategy effectively. The indicator will automatically monitor signals from all three indicators and generate buy or sell signals when the entry conditions are met. This automation removes the need for continuous chart monitoring, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your trading. Once the indicators are selected, we need to refine the chart's visual representation. Begin by disabling the supply-demand zones, the VISRA, and the shore market sessions to reduce clutter and concentrate on the chosen indicators. Next, enable the selected indicators, SuperTrend, EMA, and MACD. For the EMA, specifically activate the 200-period EMA to ensure accurate display. Since the MACD indicator is typically shown in a separate window, add it independently by searching for the MACD indicator, selecting the appropriate option, and opening its settings. To avoid clutter, uncheck both the MACD line and the signal line options. With these adjustments, the setup process will be complete. The DIY Custom Strategy Builder will now automatically monitor signals from the SuperTrend, EMA, and MACD indicators, generating buy or sell signals when entry conditions are met. This automation will enhance the efficiency of your trading process, enabling you to concentrate on other critical aspects of market analysis and decision-making. When the indicator generated a sell signal, indicated by a red arrow, it was confirmed by the alignment of bearish signals from all three indicators. Similarly, the indicator issued a valid buy signal, represented by a green arrow, when all three indicators aligned with bullish momentum. Specifically, the SuperTrend indicator showed a bullish trend. The price closed above the 200-period EMA, reinforcing the bullish trend, and the MACD histogram displayed a green color, further corroborating the bullish sentiment. Occasionally, even when all conditions for a trade signal appear to be met, a signal may not be generated. For instance, in this case, despite meeting the criteria, such as a bearish SuperTrend, the price being below the 200-period EMA, and a red MACD histogram, a short signal was not issued. I will now explain why the expected short signal was not generated despite these conditions being satisfied. Let's now examine why the short signal was not generated despite the aligned conditions. The issue is due to a feature called alternate signals, which alternates between short and long signals to prevent consecutive short signals. If you prefer to receive all short signals without this alternating pattern, you can disable this feature. Next, we will adjust the signal export candle count to 1. This setting dictates how many candles to wait for all indicators to confirm a signal. With a value of 3, the leading indicator signal must be confirmed within 3 candles by the other indicators. For tighter signal confirmation, I will set this parameter to 1 candle. Finally, position the indicator table in the top right corner for optimal visibility and click OK to apply these changes. This indicator effectively integrates 3 distinct indicators to form a robust trading strategy. When all conditions align, it generates either a short or long signal. However, it is crucial to wait for the signal to be clearly confirmed before entering a position. To further streamline automation and reduce the need for constant chart monitoring, utilize the Alert feature. Click on the 3 dots to access the DIY Custom Strategy Builder alert options. You will find 2 alert types: a buy alert, which notifies you when a long signal is generated, and a sell alert, which informs you when a short signal is present. To configure a buy alert, select the appropriate option and decide whether you want the alert to trigger once per bar or once per bar close. Set the expiration time to a future date and assign a descriptive name, such as Buy Alert. Enter a clear alert message and click Create. For the Sell Alert, follow the same procedure, choosing the Sell Alert option instead. This setup will ensure you receive timely notifications when a short signal occurs. In summary, the DIY Custom Strategy Builder is a highly versatile tool that enables you to design, automate, and refine your trading strategies. By selecting and integrating various indicators, you can develop a strategy tailored to your trading style and objectives. This robust tool greatly enhances your capacity to identify and execute profitable trades, while minimizing the time and effort required for manual chart analysis. In this video, I demonstrated how to effectively integrate the RMI Trend Sniper indicator with the DIY Custom Strategy Builder to create a successful trading strategy. If you found this content valuable, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Additionally, feel free to explore my other videos for more insights. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more with you in the next video.